lit cigarettes on the ground. He just empties his pockets and half-lit cigarette.
All the bus stop Gary butts.
Yeah.
Tried to fucking knife me, man.
Yeah, I know. Then I put 2 bullets into you.
Where the fuck did he come?
Oh, that wasn't a knife.
This is a knife.
You see the smoke? Yes, we fired it out! Hey, okay, we're ready over here, Echo. You can control fire. Use the smoke!
Time for truck.
Hello.
Do this!
Can I get in the car?
Is there? I think there's an enemy in the car.
Could I I can't in the car though.
Yeah, shoot him.
Don't shoot him! Don't! No, he's friendly!
Kill him.
Don't shoot me.
Hey.
Yeah, I can't get in the car. But I came with a ride with you guys, but
Get on the gun, get on the gun. Yeah,
I can't.
Get on the gun.
Get on.
That's an achievement.
Oh no! Can you get into the, like? He can't. Wait, you can't get into this.
I can't.
Wait, no, just sit there, stay there. Everyone get in.
Okay.
Let's go. You ready? Let's do this.
Yeah. Oh shit, it actually works.
Barnacle, tell us like where all the enemies are. Tell us. You're our prisoner now.
Oh, okay. Oh no, fuck.
Thanks, man.
Barnacle, let's do this. Right side.
Hey, on the point. On Main Street, yes.
Fucking back him up. The Dushka needs help. Fucking send it.
Yay!